CapCut might be the king of editing apps, but in 2025, the competition has stepped up big time. These 10 apps are not just rivals, they're redefining video editing, ready to meet the future of editing. Let's jump in, but hey, smash that subscribe button first so you don't miss any of our top 10 lists. Magisto. Imagine this: you upload your clips, and the app turns them into a cinematic masterpiece all in seconds. That's Magisto. Now powered by next-gen AI to handle everything from transitions to storytelling. Talk about stress-free editing. Quick by CapCut. If you're into fast and fun editing, Quick is your best friend. Its 2025 update includes auto-syncing to music beats and dynamic templates that make your clips pop like never before. A light motion. Think motion graphics are complicated? Not with a light motion. This app lets you create pro-level animations, and its new AI presets in 2025 will make your videos look like they came straight out of a Pixar studio. Filmmaker Pro, designed for creators who want total control. Filmmaker Pro has introduced customizable LUTs and advanced multi-layer editing this year. If CapCut feels limiting, this app is your next step up. Power Director. The 2025 version of Power Director is no joke, with motion tracking, 4,000 exports, and cinematic effects. It's like carrying a mini editing studio in your pocket. Video Leap is for those who love experimenting. Its new AI-powered masking tools and AR overlays make your edits stand out in a sea of ordinary content. Filmorago has leveled up big time. The app now features dynamic split screens and drag and drop animations, making it the go-to choice for polished, professional. KineMaster is back in 2025 with a total revamp. Its enhanced precision controls, seamless keyframe animations, and professional color grading tools make it a must-try for anyone serious about mobile editing. VivaCut is the perfect blend of simplicity and power in 2025. It now offers full-screen overlays, cinematic effects, and green screen features that scream Hollywood on a budget. CapCut, owned by Microsoft. CapCut has transformed into a powerhouse in 2025 with advanced AI-driven templates, built-in stock footage, and direct integration with other apps like Teams and OneDrive. It's the ultimate app for creators and professionals alike. CapCut might be popular, but CapCut is taking over.